What's up guys? In today's video I'm going to teach you and I'm going to explain you how to basically generate 10k with algorithmic trading. Guys, I'm going to show you all the ways that I've been using to generate money with this topic. So guys, let's start. So the first way to generate money with algorithmic trading is basically selling trading bots. As you're watching in the screen, what you have is basically the platform on which I sell my bots. This is basically a marketplace that I created where people can come and sell their bots. So basically guys, the strategy here that I'm following is that I look for a profitable strategy on YouTube, I implement it, I automatize it, and then here I sell the bot. Remember one thing guys, trading bots are not miracles, are not something divine. They are basically just software that automatize strategies. So guys, this is a tool and it is a very useful tool that people need. So for example, if you are able to create a bot that is profitable following a strategy that is very popular, it is not going to be very difficult to generate a bunch of money. So for example, here there are a lot of examples. These are all not mine. And here, for example, this is one of my bots, Athena, which contains an AI. But basically the strategy behind this bot is the range breakout. So guys, here we have that. We have this bot that implements that and automatize that strategy. And guys, one important thing that I want to speak about is that, let me search for Athena so that we see it. As you can see, I'm selling the bot in two ways, with a subscription and with a unique payment. Guys, if you want to generate money in a recurrent way, I truly recommend you going for the subscription. It's true that, for example, having a big payment always feels nice, but guys, having a recurrent payment with a trading bot is better, because if you have created a bot that is truly useful and that people need to use it, they are going to be paying that subscription for a long time. So it is a way of generating passive income that is somehow always going to be there. So yeah guys, make sure you understand that you have two ways, two possibilities of selling the bots. You can sell them by just simply selling them with a fixed price or with a subscription, and I truly recommend you using the subscription. But guys, in regards to selling bots, there's another possibility, which is basically freelancing. Guys, in my Discord community, in the Spanish one, not in the English one, in the Spanish one, there is a lot of people that what they do is that they freelance. They basically implement trading bots. People need to automatize their strategy, and there's other people that have the knowledge in regards to how to create a trading bot, and they basically automatize the trading bot. So for example, here you can see that there are a lot of guys giving that service, and the price is also different in regards to the bot. So yeah, if you know someone that needs a bot, what you can do is that you can speak with him and say, hey, let's do something. I have the knowledge to create the bot. I can create it for example, I don't know, whatever you want to charge it. Here, what I recommend you is that you put a price to the features of the bot. So for example, first, you try to implement, let's say, the martingale. If you're able to implement the martingale, you're going to give it a price in regards to how long does it take you to implement that. Now, after that, you will have a table of prices in regards to the different features and things that a user, a client may need. So, based on that, whenever a new client comes to you, you just check that table and you say, okay, this client needs this. Look, this is going to be the price. This is a nice way for giving to the users, to your clients, a fair price. And yeah, guys, also, the thing about selling this kind of bots is that once you have developed a feature, That's it. You have developed that feature, and in the next bot, you are not going to spend any time rebuilding that feature. It is just copy and pasting, and yeah, that's it. Like, it is easy money. Another way of making money with trading bots, with algorithmic trading, is, guys, with a course. So for example, here you are watching my page on which what I do is that I sell my course for trading bots. So for example, this is the Spanish one. But yeah, guys, this is what I do. Here I'm selling my course and I'm teaching people how to create trading bots. Usually people with courses, they come crazy and they say, oh, you're selling whatever, this is not useful. No, guys, here, whenever you sell a course, you're selling something useful, because just think about it. Not everyone has the capacity, not everyone has the knowledge for creating bots. Not everyone is able to program, not everyone is able to create a bot. So yeah, if you have that knowledge, it is good that you share it and that you put to that knowledge a price. So for example, that's what I'm doing here. I have my course of how to create trading bots on MQL5. But for example, if you have the knowledge of how to create bots for Binance or whatever, you can come here to this platform and you can upload a course. For now, if you want to upload a course here, you have to contact me through this email, and yeah, we will speak about your course, and then I will upload it. Well, yeah, you will upload it if I think that it is a useful course. But guys, that is another way of making income. And here, the same thing happens with the trading bots. You can sell them with two different schemas. You can use a subscription or you can use a unique payment. As I said before, I recommend you using the subscription. Why? Because it is a way of generating recurring payment. If your course is useful, people will take time to learn whatever you are teaching here. So if they take time, for example, let's say on average, a user takes, I don't know, 1 year to learn your course. So basically, for 1 year, you are going to take from that user, from that client, an amount of money. Or for example, the client can come and they can just pay the unique payment and that's it. But yeah, guys, just make sure you understand that by using the subscription, you are going to be able to generate recurring payment. So yeah, guys, that is the third way of generating money with algorithmic trading, which is just basically selling courses. Like if you have a knowledge and you sell that knowledge. And guys, the final way, which is I think the most obvious, is that if you have a trading bot, why don't you trade? Here, for example, this is a funding, I don't know the name in English. In Spanish, we call it prueba de fondeo, which is funding challenge. But yeah, guys, here, for example, I had a bot that was operating for me. So I didn't pass the challenge just by a little bit. But yeah, guys, you can see that this bot was quite successful. So here, indeed, this bot, let me show you. This bot, well, the page is broken. Let me reload. This bot, indeed, guys, was the Hercule bot. So let me go to my profile. Is this one, which is the range breakout without an AI. So basically is that, guys. For example, here now traders have a lot of different possibilities. And for example, you can use a funding account, a funded challenge. And yeah, you can make money on that way. So for example, if I had passed this challenge, I could be generating each month, for example, $200, $2,000, $3,000, whatever. Now I'm at another challenge, but yeah, that is another way of generating money. Like using your bots to trade. So guys, I hope you understood the video. I hope that you enjoyed the video and that you now know a little bit more of how to generate some money with algorithmic trading. I think that this is truly the future of trading, because being in front of a screen is a big loss of time. And yeah, guys, algorithmic trading solves that problem. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, letting me know what you think about it. Letting me know if there's another way on which people can make 10K a month. And yeah, guys, we see each other in the next video.